finished a long journey, you might feel a little bit tired. So there are a couple of things that you can do in order to help to feel a little bit more energized, less tired, and relieve any stress of your journey. So checking that your feet are shoulder width distance apart. There's a little bend in the knees. And we're going to now do a Qigong exercise called discharge waist Qi with vibration. So any waist Qi in terms of feeling stiff, feeling tired, heavy legs, tired mind, any frustration, any anxiety, we can get rid of by this sifting of the waist Qi from the center of the body up to the skin surface and then letting it go. I've covered this exercise before in a separate video, and I'll put the link to it next to in the text when I send out the replay for you all. So just begin by just being very loose and relaxed in the arms and just gently bouncing up and down on the knees. So the feet stay in contact with the ground. So it's just like my knees are spring loaded. So I'm just bouncing on the knees. And you see, as I do that, if my arms and my shoulders and my head are all nice and relaxed, you see that my wrists start to move, my head starts to nod, and this is a lovely relaxed starting position for this discharging method. So I'll turn to the side so you can hopefully see there the movement of the wrists and the head. So it might not be the ideal exercise to do in public, but it just feels so lovely. So in your mind's eye now, what I'd like you to do, close your eyes and imagine that you're sifting up any waist Qi, any sensations of tiredness, stiffness, achiness, discomfort, any maybe discomfort digestive-wise, any mind chatter, any anxiety, frustration. You're sifting it up to the skin surface. You're breathing out using your nose, breathing in using your nose as well. So your normal abdominal breath. But this time, what I like you to do is each time you breathe out, I want you to think of all of this stuff that you don't want sifting up to the surface of the skin, wherever, front, back of the body, arms and legs, sifting up. And now lift the hands and imagine it all falling off your skin, like raindrops floating away from you. Each time you breathe out, in your mind's eye, see any discomfort disappear. You may want to drop the arms and just twist from side to side, really just to kind of mobilize that and get rid of that from the upper back area, the lower back area, and then maybe tilting side to side if that's comfortable for you to do that. And then coming back to rest. Bring the hands together, rubbing them until they get really hot. And then placing one hand over each eye, feeling the heat from your hands going into your eyes to nourish the eyes, and then through the backs of the eyes to nourish the mind. And giving yourself a little face wash. Again, this is a lovely, energizing thing to do after traveling. And maybe combing through the hair. Using the nails, I'll show you from the side, coming down the back and into the shoulders. And then shaking out the hands, shaking out the legs. And coming to rest and smiling.